Βασιά μου. This dog is Benji. We found Benji about a year ago. We received a phone call about a dog in need just out of the city, a few kilometers away. So we drive there. It was a shock for us when we first saw him. He was in such a bad situation. He had no hair. His skin was like a rock. His head, his body, it was so hard, his skin. I remember that day I didn't know where to put my hands to touch him, to collect him. I don't know for how long he was out there alone, and I don't know what he was eating to survive, but his front teeth are melted. He has no teeth in front. So we started treating him. He was positive to leishmania and to scabies. He received the treatments he needed. We have done the necessary surgery to amputate the back leg. He started slowly to gain some weight on and have hair and looking good, yes. And after a couple of months, maybe more, Benji finished his treatments and today he's a happy, healthy boy. He's still with us, looking for a forever family. And we do hope that one day someone falls in love with this gorgeous boy and give him a forever home. But we love him so much and we can care for him as long as he's needed. Yes, my baby. Ναι, αγόρι. Say hi. Say hi. Lulu.